Hi, I'm Rob Junk, and this is the Ultimate Focus Tool. This is the European version, and we'll start out with the standard C-clamp. It fits your 3/4, your 1/2 inch, as well as your 1/4 inch. It also is milled to fit your 19 millimeters and your all threads. The ratcheting tool, so you don't have to keep repositioning it. It is a wing nut wrench. It's nice because it's made out of aluminum and doesn't damage your threads, and it grabs both of your ears. It is also a handle wrench. If it's any style handles, hot metal handles are not a problem. ETC with their smaller handles. You have ETC barrel nut, road case latches, thumb screws, your Doherty clamps. It fits your fat wing nuts in any orientation, as well as your moving light cams. You also have your 17 millimeter right there, your 1/2 inch. You have a pin splitter here for your Bates connector right here. More importantly, it is a continuity checker, and you can check your lamps, and you can know that the lamp is a good lamp. You can check any style lamp, that being said, from your European connector all the way down to your Bates, your twists. So virtually it can be used anywhere. And that is the Ultimate Focus Tool.